Ladies and gentlemen, we proceed to the next speaker. We can see again Professor Rauf Kari Mahmood. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us to welcome Professor Rauf Kari Mahmood, PhD.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Everyone online, everyone in the conference room. I hope you are doing great. My name is Rauf. I am the representative of the President of University of Human Development and Dean of College of Languages. I'm very glad to be part of this international event, which I hope will be very productive. I thank Unesa for organizing it. Actually, it's so needed at the moment. I work for University of Human Development, and I would like to start sharing the slides because of the time limitation. This is University of Human Development. It was established in 2008 by Professor Dr. Ali Karadaghi. He's an amateur professor of Islamic economy. He's right in the middle here. And he's a professor of Islamic economy in Qatar. In the university is a non-government university, and I mean non-profit making private university. It's officially accredited and recognized by Kurdistan region government and by the Iraqi government. In Iraq, there's a region called Kurdistan region. It has its own local government, a local parliament, and also local Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research. And we have also a central one in Iraq. So in both locations, we are recognized officially and licensed. The university is located in the city of Suleimania. It's a very nice city, as you can see here in the pictures. It's located amid chains of mountains. Now it's very chilly outside, and in summer the temperature goes to 48 and above, 47 and 45 sometimes. But usually in the winter time it freezes. The university has 5 colleges. The colleges are Law and Politics, College of Science and Technology, College of Administration and Economic, College of Languages, College of Health Sciences. Of course, in each of these colleges, there are a couple of departments or more than a couple of departments. In Law and Politics, we have College of Law and Department of Law and Department of Political Sciences, Department of Computer Science, Department of Information Technology, Department of Finance and Banking, Department of Accounting, Department of Business Management, Department of English, Department of Arabic, Department of Medical Laboratory Science, and other departments. We are planning to have other departments and colleges established soon. The University of Human Development is the first university in Iraq that has started to implement the Bologna process. And we have our own detailed manual of that process. We have been implemented for the past 5 years. And we are very rich in staff, in teaching staff members, both local staff and international staff. With a number of students ranging between 2,500 to 3,000 based on the different years and numbers of students that get admitted every year, because it fluctuates. And USD has 9 rounds of graduates ranging from 700 to 1,000 graduates in each round of graduation. And we have a center called DCRT Center for Research and Training. And this center organizes programs, workshops, training courses, and seminars, and other activities. Of course, it also has incentives for research in various fields. We work for the governmental establishments and non-governmental organizations also, so based on their needs and their approach. We have very active students and with so many potentials. So they establish their own clubs, over 30 clubs, like civil mobilization clubs, charity clubs, music, art, sports, book reading, and other stuff. As you can see, these one of the activities arranged organized by the students. These are some pictures of other activities by our students, and these are also activities like national festivals, carnivals, symposium, football match, and this is a magazine called Smart. This magazine is issued by the universities in English. Of course, side by side with academic journals, accredited academic journals for science and technology and for humanities. USG has been ranked the top private university in Kurdistan region in all the 3 rounds of national universities ranking. So there have been only 3 rounds of university ranking in Kurdistan region, supervised by Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research. In all the 3 rounds, we've been ranked the top private university. And if we come to combating COVID-19, there are various ways that we have been approaching. In Kurdistan region, there were lockdowns. So all the establishments and universities, schools, governmental institutions were locked down from March 2020 up to the summertime. But Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research allowed universities to start the new academic year in September 2020, following a blended process. According to the blended process, classes could be divided into 2 categories: on-campus classes and online or electronic classes. Some were online and some were recorded and then uploaded into our own EUHD system. We have been following the blended process since September 27, 2020, very actively. So students, for example, if in a department we have like 500 students, so 250 students will come on certain days and the other will come on the other days, while they swap in their online classes also. We have been following all the instructions announced by Ministry of Health, such as wearing masks, observing spatial distance. Actually, we believe in spatial distance, not in social distance. The term social distance used now internationally is not actually preferred from the humanitarian point of view, because the more we get diseases, we face pandemics, we need to be more socially connected but spatially disconnected. So we are actually socially connected with our students. We follow up with their situation, with the teachers, with the staff, but of course without spatial contact. We have established our own disinfection chambers at all the gates of all USG premises, as well as other necessary measures. So after the pandemic, this is the situation at USG. Professors, teachers, and shields and other stuff, other measures. We have these chambers everywhere at the university, and even classes can run at large, the nature, but observing the situation. Also, to be very specific, we have just to record the cases. We have been sending all the data to the ministry. For positive cases from September 27, we have had only 30 cases among all the 2,500 above students. And out of this number, 16 have recovered already, and the other 14 are expected to recover and come back to classes very soon. And thank goodness, 0 case of death. Also among the so this is among all the teaching staff and the students altogether. We have this number. And thank you, that's me. And this is my university in this winter time. And again, I'm very glad to be part of this event, and I thank everyone for arranging it. Actually, it's very important to be part of it, but also with lots of follow-up. Usually when we do development and it lacks follow-up, the effect and the influence of that program vanishes. So I hope Unesa will have this very proactive follow-up that they have been actually manifesting through the email exchange and everything. Very unique active staff. So I thank him for that, and I hope that we will have also other follow-up activities in the very near future. My best regards to everyone again, and have a great day.